Aling Maming, good morning!
Come in! Hello, Ingo!
Ano po?
Ano po?
It's been a long time since you've been here. How are you? And how are you, Karen?
I am fine, thank you.
We're doing fine, Aling Maming. Ay, how is your knee?
It's okay now. Please have some suman.
Ay, no thank you, Aling Maming. But they look delicious. Karen, you want some?
I think Ingo wants to ask you something, Aling Mameng.
Ay, Aling Maming, do you remember the book Buboy's Dream?
Oh, yes. That was a very nice book.
May I borrow it?
Oh, I'm sorry, Ingo. I already gave it to a friend's daughter as a gift.
Oh, really? Now I don't have a story to tell Kokoy and Tintin. Karen, what should we do now?
That's quite a problem. I know. Do you remember the plot of the story?
Plot? What is that?
A plot is a series of events that takes place in a story.
What?
Okay, let's try to remember the story together. Did you bring something to write on?
Oh, yes.
First, I will ask you some things in the story so you will remember the plot quickly. Let's begin. Who were the characters in the story? Who were the people there?
Characters in the story. People. I remember now. The characters were two children, and the boy was named Buboy, and he had a sister named Pipay. He was very naughty, and he always played tricks on her. He was very cruel sometimes.
Very good. Then, continue.
Whenever he did something bad, Pipay did not complain because she was kind. But he always played tricks on her.
Much like you when you were a little boy. Go on.
His mother and father would always tell him to be kind to his sister and apologize. But he would always say, I will never apologize to her because she's just a girl.
He was quite a naughty boy, wasn't he? Then what happened next?
What happened next? He had a dream. Buboy went to the kitchen to have lunch with his mother and father. He talked to them, but they did not see or hear him. He spoke louder, but they just kept on talking. Buboy began to wonder why his parents do not see him. Then his mother and father laughed aloud. They were playing a joke on him. Buboy came out of the house to look for his friends. Something hit his head. It was a santol. Buboy ran thinking that it was raining fruits. When he looked back, he saw it was his friends who were throwing fruits at him.
Buboy thinks it was raining fruits. Buboy was scared.
Buboy felt bad. He went to the riverbank. Buboy did not know how to swim and yelled for help, but he saw everybody was laughing at him. They were laughing as he sinks into the water. Buboy woke up. It was all a dream.
Buboy.
His mother was waking him up. While eating breakfast, Buboy remembered his dream. Then he thought of his sister and then his dream of how he was being made fun of. He felt very sorry for all the mean things he did to her. When he found her, Buboy apologized to Pipay and said, I never realized how bad it felt to be laughed at. I'm sorry. Pipay saw Buboy's sincerity, so she forgave him. From that time, they became the best of friends. Buboy never made fun of his sister anymore. He even protected her from other children who tried to be mean to her. The end.
That was a nice story, Kuya Ingo.
Really? Thank you, ah.
How about you, Kokoy? Did you like the story too?
Yes, it was very nice. Thank you, Kuya Ingo.